Okay? Pero huwag kayong maingay na hindi ako magbibigay, ah. Okay. So, this is your final output wherein it's all about your e-portfolio. Okay? So, kapag sinabi nating e-portfolio, it is far from the traditional way of checking portfolio wherein you're going to have a folder, ipiprint mo your activities and then you will pass it. Pag sinabi nating e-portfolio, it's electronic. So you can use PowerPoint presentation, prepare PowerPoint presentation. Ngayon, if you are good naman in Canva, you can use Canva din or di kaya SlideShare. Okay? So you have three options. PowerPoint presentation, using Canva, and SlideShare. So what will be the content of your e-portfolio? Na-discuss ko na to eh. Nasa isang video yan eh. Iuulitin ko lang. So this is, the first part will be your name and learning journey. So it's up to you. What will be your title? And then make sure that you have your surname, given name, and middle initial. Okay? And then please prepare the pangmalakasang picture. Na, ano ba ibig sabihin na ba nung pangmalakasang picture? Siyempre, yung pinakagwapo kayo at saka pinakamaganda kayo. Ngayon, kung gusto nyong mag-collage, okay lang yan. Okay? And then, the second part will be, it's all about you. Okay? So, this sections provides an important overview by introducing yourself to the faculty member or to me through a chronology of life experience relevant to portfolio submission. The goal statement is generally 200 to 400 words. Actually, yung 200 to 400 words, maikli yan eh. Kasi kapag talambuhay natin ang pinag-uusapan, ang dami nating nasasabi. So, pwede yan sa isang part, halimbawa, yung isang slide, kumuha ka ng picture mo ng bata ka and then tell a story about you. And then nung nag-ano ka na, nag-elementary, nung nag-high school ka na, hanggang sa nakapag-asawa or nakapag-boyfriend, hanggang sa nagkaroon ng trabaho, then hanggang sa nag-decide na mag-aral. Okay. So, that is your talambuhay. Okay? And then after that, sa isang slide, i-discuss niyo yung achievements niyo. Kapag sinabi nating achievements, hindi naman to payabangan na nung nung grade 7 ako, o first year high school ako, first honor ako, I have 25 medals. Yes, those are the things that you are proud, pero it's more than that. Okay? For example, the things that you are proud pagdating sa financial management. O di kaya, at young age, you are self-supporting student, no? Or at young age, yun, 20 baon mo na, nakapag-asawa ng ka-fam, yes. Yes, Don Rich, ano yun, Don Rich? Uy,
Nakabili
Don
motor.
Rich, bakit? Nakabiling motor, yun. Pwede yun, no? So, it's up to you. Basta these are the things that you are proud of, even small things. Basta mga small progress. Nung dati, takot ako present, pero ngayon, malakas yung loob kong mag-present. So, these are the things that you are proud of, di ba? Sabi ko nga, small progress, no? For example, dati hindi ka marunong mag-commit mag-isa, ngayon nagko-commit ka na. Dati di ka marunong tumawid, yan, nakakatawid ka na mag-isa. Sa mga bagay na kaya mo palang gawin. Okay. So, yun yung ibig sabihin nun. O at age of 25, may 1 million na sa bangko, pautang. Joke lang, no? So, those are the things that you are proud of. And then yung goals, pag sinabi natin goals in life, these are the future plans. Kapag sinabi natin future plans, what are your plans? Total naman, mag-New Year na. What is your plan next year? What will be your plan after 3 years once na makatapos ka sa Trimex? What will be your plan at age of 30, at age of 40? Ano na dapat ang meron ka? At age of 50, at age of 70? Pag retired mo, yan. So, 'pag sinabi nating plans, dapat naka-timeline ka, okay? So, another slide yon. Okay, next. After that, maglalagay kayo ng blanko na part kasi ganito po yung itsura nung pagre-release ko ng score. So, kung mapapansin niyo, 'no, tama ba? The introductory, the score is 50/50. Kailan niyo 'to mare-receive? Sabi ko nga supposedly last week, pero may mga pailan-ilan na nagcha-chat, na nakikiusap kasi talagang, may pinagdadaanan ng personal. Kasi ayoko talagang mag-release ng score ng hindi pa okay lahat. So, I still give chance for the last time until tomorrow because on Wednesday, talagang i-re-release ko na po yung lahat ng score at kailangan ko nang ma-release yan dahil i-attach nyo yan sa inyong PowerPoint presentation. So, saan to ma-receive? Sa email nyo. Then, ayan yung ma-receive nyo na your score has been released for introductory activity. Lagi akong may quotes na nilalagay. And congratulations and keep up the good work. Another example is this one, the activity in module 1, the nature of mathematics. So the score of the students dati is 36/39. So yun yung marireceive nyo so that you have an idea, no, about your score. And then the last, yung isa pa na part na kailangan sa bandang dulo, eto pwede nyo na rin tong gawin. Iwan nyo lang na blanco yung mga para sa activities. Is what is the impact of GE2 in your life? Ano bang naging impluwensya ko sa inyo sa mathematics? Lalo ko bang pinahirap? Gumaan ba? Medyo naunawaan ba? May mga bagay ba na ngayon mo palang naintindihan na instead of last year pa or when you are still in high school or elementary? Or baka naman lalong tawag dito, humirap, no? So, I want you to oo. I want you to, list down what are your favorite topics and saan part ka medyo nahirapan. Kasi reflection, 'pag binabasa ko yun, nagre-reflect din ako, na, okey, eto pala talaga yung pinakamahirap na topic para sa kanila. So that next year, nagkaroon ng migraine. So that next year, eh oo, tama yan. So that next year, I will think of another strategy wherein the students can relate and alam niyo yun, parang medyo maging magaan naman yun sa part ng estudyante. Okay? And then this will be the last part of your PowerPoint or your, ang tawag dyan, e-portfolio. It is the reflection. No? So when we say reflection, what are the 3 things that you have learned in GE2? Yung nag-highlight talaga. Okay, yung mga natutunan mo, not only the topic itself. For example, humaba pasensya mo. Okay, naging pasensyoso ka. Kasi kailangan mong matapos yung activity. Naging matyaga ka. For example, yung accuracy, naging careful ka kapag nagko-compute ka. So those are the things that you have learned in GE2. And the 2 things that inspires you, again, ano ba yung mga bagay o sino ba yung mga taong nag-i-inspire, patuloy pa rin na nag-i-inspire sa'yo? At until today, one question on your mind na hanggang ngayon ay wala ka pa ring makuhang tamang sagot. Bakit ang gwapo-gwapo ko? 'Di ba? Ang hirap hanapan ng sagot niyan. Okay? Okay. So, that is the part of, that is your last requirement. And I want you to pass that. Magbibigay po ako ng link ng Drive siguro by Wednesday, 'no? 'Pag na-release ko na yung aking lahat ng score, magbibigay naman ako ng notification sa inyo sa ano niyo, sa GC niyo na na-release ko na yung, score niyo sa module na 'to. Ngayon, ah, magbibigay ako ng Drive kung saan niyo i-a-upload yung mga PowerPoint niyo. Okay? So, automatically, once you pass your PowerPoint, automatically, that is 50 points pangbawi din sa last or panghabol din ng score. Ngayon, if you think you are not capable of doing the PowerPoint, you don't have any idea how to do it because it is your first time, even Canva or SlideShare, isa lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo, manood kayo sa YouTube. Nasa YouTube na lahat. Ngayon, kasalanan na kapag hindi mo natutunan ng isang bagay kasi lahat na ng bagay ay meron ng process sa YouTube or sa TikTok. Just search for it and you will know how to do it. No, ako kasi personally ganyan eh. Kapag meron ako mga bagay na di ko alam paano mag-reset ng cellphone na to, ano ko lang, search ko lang sa YouTube kung paano. Even in computers, anong ibig sabihin kapag may gantong lumabas na notification. If I am not well versed of that, so nanonood lang ako sa YouTube. YouTube talaga is the answer. Okay? So may mga step by step and processes din kasi doon. Okay? So may tanong ba? Do you have any question about my last? Yes, Edwin. Yes, Edwin, what's that?
Ito pong format ng inyo ito pong nasa screen po, ma'am. Yung format niyo po ay pwede pong yun yung din
It's
gagawin po.
Pwede naman. But I would say it's up to you because mas maganda kanya-kanya kayong design. Kasi syempre that is your presentation eh, 'di ba? Out portfolio mo 'yan eh. Kumbaga, diyan may kalayaan ka na gawin kung anong mga pwede mong ilagay. Pero pwede mo namang sundin 'tong format na 'to, wala naman ding problema. Eh, so yes, Edwin.
I mean po, ma'am, yung ito pong ano po is naka-stream na po ba ito para po maano po namin?
Kung
Yung,
kung nakas
yung
kung,
guide po.
okey. So, puwede naman ika-cut ko 'tong PowerPoint ko kasi meron akong mga activities dito. Ilalagay ko siya sa isang PowerPoint presentation and then I'll give that to you. Ilalagay ko sa G Classroom. Okey, okey lang ba?
Okay po, ma'am.
O
Maraming
gusto
salamat
niyo
po.
i-screenshot niyo na lang?